Hello and welcome to the last week of the Telmooc. We're actually in Telmooc 7, week 6. And today I wanted to share with you, well, over the last couple of days we've got snow. And I know in lots of different parts of the world where some of you might be, there is never snow. So yeah, it's not that cold. It's about minus 8 or 9 degrees. And, so that if we dress up warmly, we can begin our winter. Anyway, Telmooc 7, week 6. In this last final week, you have an opportunity to complete the TEL activity plan. With that, there's lots of support and resources on how to do that at the very front on our homepage at the very top. So we hope you'll check that out. We really encourage you to take that last step of completing a TEL activity plan. And the reason for that is you've been thinking about technology and education and seeing and reading other people's posts and seeing new materials. Well, now it's time to put it into action, or at least the potential in action, and that is by making a plan, making a lesson that you can utilize it, writing that out and hopefully trying out that plan somewhere in the future, near future. Anyway, we encourage you to complete the quizzes and complete the TEL activity plan and get your certificate of completion if you can over the next week. Excellent. Thank you very much for all the activity in the forums continuing, and also we encourage you to complete the end of course survey. Several times in the last several iterations of Telmooc, we get questions, well, what do I look like to design my courses or my blended learning courses? The blended learning MOOC starts in a week. You can join us for that kind of experience or that MOOC as well. Some more technology and technology-focused learning, blended learning MOOC, as well as we certainly hope that you'll have an opportunity to complete the final course survey. It really helps us out to understand how we can better serve you folks in the future. So, with that, thank you very much for your participation in Telmooc. Again, we encourage you to complete it. If you're wondering what a community of inquiry looks like, well, the Telmooc is that. And I direct people to our weekly activity plans, our weekly activities. You might notice how we've structured them: read, review, discuss, explore. That's a good model. That's a good model for a lot of classrooms. So if you're looking for a model to follow in terms of how to structure online or blended learning, feel free to go ahead and use that. It certainly does work in large instances, large courses like this. With that, see you online.